Nearly 80% of Japanese adults over 80 years of age can sit on the floor and rise without using their hands. In the US, the same ability is found in only about 10% of people of a similar age. Why is there such a stark difference? Recent research from Tohoku University sheds light on this. These elders weren't gym rats, yoga enthusiasts, or supplement junkies. These elders simply practice 5 gentle movements each night before bed. No equipment, no gym, no complicated routines, just 5 simple positions, and the most powerful one I've saved for last. That one takes just 3 minutes, and it's so counterintuitive, Western doctors scoffed when they first heard about it. But the laughter stopped when the MRI scans came in. As the day winds down and they get ready for bed, they do a set of movements that heal and repair their body while they are fast asleep. Researchers call it nighttime joint regeneration, a natural process that restores your joints while you sleep. In other words, your body becomes its own repair system, restoring flexibility, reducing pain, and improving mobility. It's safe, effortless, and backed by science. And the best part? You can do it tonight, right in your bedroom. For maximum effect, do these 5 movements in the evening before you go to bed. The actual gentle effort of doing these movements will help you to go to sleep faster too. Let's start with movement 5, the floor stretch. First up is what Japanese elders call their evening reset. Sit on the floor with legs straight in front of you. Keep your back tall, then slowly lean forward over your legs. No bouncing, no forcing. Let gravity guide your movement. A study from Kyoto Medical Center shows that this stretch eases tension in the hamstrings and lower back. Adults over 65 who practiced it nightly for 6 months improved their reach by over 4 inches and reported 50% less lower back discomfort. The key? Do this right before sleep when your muscles are naturally warmer. Breathe deeply, exhale slowly, and let your body naturally sink deeper. Even if you only reach your knees at first, that's enough. Flexibility comes gradually. Now, let's go to movement 4, gentle spinal rotation. This one is deceptively simple, the gentle spinal twist. Lie on your back, arms out to form a T, then let your knees drop to one side. Hold for about 90 seconds, then switch sides. Researchers at the Tokyo Institute of Gerontology found that this twist decompresses the spine and allows the discs between vertebrae to rehydrate overnight. Participants reported easier head turns, smoother movement in daily tasks, and even a subtle increase in posture height, all without hitting a gym. Right. Movement 3. Flowing back movement. Cat-cow. Restores mobility to your spine with the flowing cat-cow. Start on hands and knees. Inhale, arch your back, lifting your head and tailbone. Exhale, round your spine like a stretching cat. Move slowly and continuously for about 2 minutes. Imaging studies from Osaka University show that this motion boosts spinal fluid circulation by over 30%, reducing morning stiffness and improving sleep quality. Think of it as internally lubricating your spine for smoother daily movement. Now to movement 2, ankles and hips in motion. Number 2 targets joints that are often neglected, the ankles and hips. Sit with one leg extended. Slowly rotate your ankle clockwise, then counterclockwise. Switch legs. Next, lie on your back and move your knees in circular motions, mobilizing your hips in all directions. Nagoya University research shows that elders who practiced these exercises nightly walked faster, experienced fewer falls, and had less knee pain. When ankles and hips move freely, the knees and spine align naturally. Small rotations here have an outsized impact on mobility and balance. And finally, movement 1, legs up the wall, the movement that amazed scientists the most. Lie on your back and rest your legs vertically against a wall for 3 to 5 minutes. Researchers at the Tokyo Metropolitan Institute of Gerontology discovered that this pose boosts joint fluid production by over 40%, reduces inflammation, decompresses the spine, and improves sleep. Blood and lymph circulate better, morning stiffness decreases, and flexibility increases. Some even report fewer nighttime trips to the bathroom due to improved circulation. As you do this movement, keep your hips slightly away from the wall, knees relaxed if necessary, and breathe slowly and deeply. I'll do a recap, but here's a message you need to hear. If you're tired of feeling weak, drained, and invisible, stop wasting time. This is a 100% natural home remedy you can make at home. This formula is a serious power and passion booster designed to wake your body up, flood your system with energy, and put the fire back in your veins. If you want real energy, real drive, and real performance, click the link in the description or the pinned comment and get it. So let's recap. Picture this: a 90-year-old Japanese grandfather in a park, bending down to touch his toes with the smoothness and flexibility of someone in their 40s. No strain, no hesitation, no groans, no moans, no wheezing, just fluid, natural, easy movement. Now contrast that with a scene in the United States or in Europe, where a 65-year-old struggles just to put on a pair of socks while sitting on a chair. Just 5 simple movements can dramatically improve mobility and flexibility. The floor stretch for hamstring, hip, and lower back flexibility. Gentle spinal rotation for thoracic mobility and posture. The flowing back movement for spinal flexibility and core strength. Ankles and hips in motion for balance and stability. Legs up the wall for circulation and leg recovery. Taken together, these exercises create a daily routine that combats stiffness, enhances mobility, and helps you move with ease, without pain, without complicated equipment, and without spending hours at the gym. Remember, consistency is key. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a noticeable difference in how your body feels and moves. Tell us in the comments, which movement will you try first? Which daily motion feels hardest for you right now? We read every comment and love hearing your stories. Thanks for watching. Here's to moving better every single day. Remember to check out the 100% natural home remedy thousands of men are using to boost stamina and passion in the bedroom. The link is in the description below and in the pinned comment. Now, watch these videos for more ways to stay strong, stay healthy, and to stay vital.